take Melissa to be your wedded wife and to live together after God's holy ordinance in holy state of matrimony? Will you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her and keep her, forsaking all others, and keep yourself only unto her for as long as ye both shall live?
I do.
Melissa, will you take Paul to be your husband, to live together after God's holy ordinance in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you promise to love him, honor and cherish and protect him, forsaking all others, and keep yourself only to him for as long as ye both shall live?
I do.
Who gives Melissa to be married to Paul?
My mother and I.